Pisces, this is your channel messages for the 10th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Pisces, this is your channel song. Pisces, I'm looking for a lover, not a friend. Somebody who can be there when I need someone to talk to. I'm looking for someone who won't pretend. Somebody not afraid to say the way they... Rogers, man. Abel or Rogers? Rogers by Bell. So who for blame? Rogers or Bell? Okay, Bell is in the building actually, and not really Rogers. Bell in the building, but Bell. Is it you? Is it you? Tell me you're the one I've been waiting for. Could you be the one for me? Could you be the one for me? Is it you? Is it you? Tell me you're the one I've been waiting for. Could you be the one for me? I'm looking for someone to share my pain. I'm looking for someone who can stay with me when it rains. Somebody I can cry with through the night. Someone who I can trust, whose heart is right. And I'm looking for someone. I'm guessing you're looking for somebody. Anybody. Where the ginger is at? Where the niggas at? Where they at? I'm joking, right? Okay. So I'm getting, you're wondering if this, is it you? Is it you? Pisces? Is that you? Okay, someone want to know if it's you. If you're the person they've been waiting for. Could you be the one for them? Could you? Okay, anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Pisces. Whoa. 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 Go, Pisces. What is your self-image, Pisces? Your self-image is the officer. Officer didn't mean to be a bad girl. Officer, I have to take it to your police station. I can't really. Oh my God. Where is my shit? Officer, I didn't mean to do it. Officer, I'm sorry, officer. I'm telling you, I have to bring you to the station. I can't pull over, okay? You've been a really bad girl. Officer, I'm sorry. Officer, can I pay you? Officer, can I just do something to just settle the score? What do you mean settle the score? What do you mean? I can't pull over, you know, I'm not supposed to do that. Officer, I just want to fuck. Officer, I'm getting a self-image. You're an officer, you're a police, you're a man of the law. Clap if you like to see a man in uniform. All right, anyways. Okay. So let's see what your value is. Your value is the hangman. You don't know what you value yourself. You value yourself based on how the commoners, how the civilians treat you. If the civilians give you a hard time at work, you feel like shitty. You feel like you're public enemy #1. And if the civilians cooperate with you at work, you feel great. It's like you did something, you played a part. Something like that. Communication is the Empress. Okay, now on top of that, I'm getting, you don't know where you stand with the Empress. You don't know how to approach the Empress. So I'm getting Cancer, Libra, and Taurus. Okay? We have Pisces here too. So I'm getting, okay, you won't talk to the Empress. No, I don't know if the Empress comes from royalty. I'm getting somebody very prestigious. But I'm getting, you need to talk to her. Your home situation is, you need to talk to her about her mother. Maybe you want to know. Okay, so first of all, the Empress is Libra, Taurus. The Empress are gonna look half white, half black. I'm getting, you're a police officer, you're trying to figure out who is the Empress mother, because the Empress looks mixed. I'm getting the Empress mother black. Okay?
The Empress look mixed. She look exotic because she's Libra and Taurus. She's white and black. When we getting you want to know who the mother, the home is a fourth card. The fourth zodiac sign is Cancer. Cancer rule the breast. Cancer is a mother. Me getting the police officer trying to figure out if your mother white or black. She black. So if you're a Jew, guess what? Your mom is a black Jew. Here we fucking go. Now what's your creativity? The Knight of Swords. Okay, so I'm getting fast communication, or I'm getting somebody want to know this information about you. This is very specific. What's your productivity? The Four of Wands. Me getting a house, something about a house. Know who you live with. You live with your sister, you live with your mother, you live with family, you live with friends. Me getting something about you, 2 women on a lease. 2 women signed for a lease. But me getting one is the mother and one is the daughter. Or me getting something about 2 sisters sign this lease. But me getting is the police officer want to know this question. They want to know what's happening. They want to know who is this lady to you, right? If she related to you, where you know her from, you don't look like her. Look how much black woman you back in the days them when the slave master used to rape them and them have the babies. Them couldn't. Okay. Trevor fucking Noah, right? One of the hottest British man I would go on my knees for fast, right? Trevor Noah. Trevor and his mother, which was born was South Africa, then born. Okay, when Trevor mother and father meet and have Trevor was illegal. And him say mother had to walk around with him like she a nanny. Because people would have think say I'm nanny. And him say he knew who his father was. And one time him seen father in a public and ready to roll up to his father. And his mother had to hold him back and say, shut up, don't, shut up. Because his father was a white man. Trevor Noah. Trevor, you know, so Trevor came into the business very, very South African comedian. He came into the business and he was on top. And I don't know what happened to, something happened to that guy. I don't know what it is though. But he did not leave the late night show, the tonight show. He never leave it the same and go on it. Something happened to that guy. Him don't have no kids either. Trevor can tell you. Trevor Noah. Same name? Yeah. Him handsome enough. Him so handsome. Trevor, where you want? Trevor, where you want? Trevor? Mr. Noah, where you want? I can't give it to you if you ask me. I don't want to even charge you. Okay, so Trevor. Yeah. So something like that. Come getting somebody, I wonder who your relation to this woman. Me getting at the same thing. You think the woman, you think somebody else. I don't know if you think somebody is a help or I don't know where you think them is. Me getting at the person, at the girl mother. So maybe you deny somebody mother from entering a building, or you deny somebody mother from seeing her. You might be telling the mom that the daughter don't want to see her because she's ashamed because her mother is black. Me getting a lie. The white people them don't want this mixed looking girl to claim her mother as a black woman. That's what's happening. Then probably rewrite her mother. Then probably get fake documents and say our mother is a white woman or our mother Indian. Me getting some people, I don't know who this is, them don't want you claim the black woman as your mother. Them want you say your mother different. Because apparently, if there's any Jewish argument here, no, them have to go talk about how she a Jew and her mother black. Because at first we were talking about the father was black. The father is a black Jew, black Jew, black Jew. We keep talking about the black Jew, but we never said that the black Jew would have been the woman. We keep pointing back to the man. So somebody got a lot of explaining to do, or we need to know why your rabbi to nigger. Because someone's Jewish here. What else we have to offer? What else we have to offer you right now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's your partnership? The 9 of Pentacles. I'm getting you single. You're ready for mingle. You're hotter than a slice of bread. Jesus Christ. No, that's your partnership. Unless, okay. So police, you are wondering who the person is. No, we have the Empress here, she mixed. Now, the Empress is mixed with Libra and Taurus. The Queen of Pentacles is Taurus, which could enable her to be our mother. But me getting for your partnership, this just come out. Now, she would look like her mother over looking like her mother. Unless the reason why the siblings don't look alike is because they have different fathers. I'm getting the father of one of them white. The father, this one is a black man, the mother black. I'm getting it don't look like your sister. Because I'm getting it don't share the same father. So maybe your mom wants to confess. What the fuck else? Inheritance, the Three of Swords. No inheritance. I am kind of getting that someone is pretending to be you. So any inheritance that you did have, you're going to find out that your family or some people trick you out of it. Them stole it from you, thief your savings account, thief your inheritance, thief everything from you, basically. So you're not getting nothing. Philosophy, just bitches who want to look like you. Philosophy is a Tower card. So I'm kind of getting that your inheritance was tied into another node. What you would use the money and do would have guide you upon another node route. If they stole your inheritance from you, then I'm getting the philosophy going to get fucked. So maybe them people here was waiting on you for continue something. Me getting because you not get the inheritance, or you not get your money, or you were robbed out of this. Me getting all hell of a break loose for everybody else. Because I feel like a police officer is investigating you. But you say who is actually playing a role in this, there is not you. So I'm getting something about your family, something about your name, something about who is claiming to live with you, something about a lease. I don't know what this is, something like that. What is your ambition? The Wheel of Fortune. I'm getting your ambition is to start over, to get away from these people. Or if your inheritance or your riches were stolen from you, I'm getting what you want to do right now is work on getting new inheritance. If you were supposed to get an inheritance when you're 30, I'm getting it was robbed from you. So now you're going to spend the next 30 years I try to get back money. What's the community? The Knight of Cups. I'm getting your community is offering help, but your community knows what's happening. So your community is fucked up. What's your inner self? The Sun card. So this could be over a baby. Or something about you don't have baby pictures. I'm getting there's baby pictures of one of them, but not the other. Or the baby pictures don't look like how the woman would look when she grew up. I'm getting you see baby pictures and then it's a she. And then it's a she. And then it said, but the baby pictures more look like her. I don't know if you're getting two sisters and mother mixed up. I'm getting, if it's, are you looking at three women? One is the mother and two is daughters. The mother in the middle. I'm getting two daughters, but the two daughters them look completely different. It's because the two daughters them have different father. Police officer, I don't know why this is. Maybe you're trying to find a person to give the money to, but you don't know who. You don't know if it's this sister, this auntie, this cousin, this nephew. You actually have to pinpoint the person. Me getting the one, me getting she look mixed. She look black and white. As in she don't have straight hair. You fucking get, maybe I didn't say that. Her hair is not straight. But she look like she could have been. She look exotic. If she put on one wig, you wouldn't tell her ethnicity. Me getting she had the right one, the Empress, the one who look like she mixed white and black. Me getting her sisters look black, her brothers look black, her aunties look black. She alone look white. Because her dad. Because her dad, sweetie. It's dad. Okay, let's see what your final card is. The Ten of Cups, yeah, family. So I'm getting, Mr. Officer, you have found the woman you're looking for. She's an Empress. She's a Taurus/Virgo. Taurus/Libra. Me getting the other women are earth signs too. But me getting, you have to pick the right one. Like you have to pick the right one. You don't know which one is the real one. You have to pick the real one, something like that. So somebody and their sisters could look alike, or somebody and their mother look alike. Or you're mistaking the mother for a sister. That's not a sister, that's a mom. Taurus. The one that you're looking for, even though the whole of them are earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, the one where you look for look mixed. The one where you look for a she. The other ones either look darker, them don't look as mixed, or initiation rituals. Temperance, Sagittarius, the angel. Bright future. Yeah, that's the one you're looking for. The one with the bright future, the one that's the queen. Cursed. We're getting a curse like fucking Cinderella and the dirty foot stepsisters, right? Can we just talk? Cinderella and the dirty stepsisters, right? And fuck them all, right? That's what he did. He brought a douche and he said, any sister who can fit this douche up them, say, I will marry. And the first sister did it, her pussy was too big. The second sister did it, she never had no. And the third sister was a man. So that's how the prince found you. Basically. We have marriage, yeah, and find you. Now careful, we have enemy. Marriage and enemy. So maybe your mother or your sister your enemy. Your sister sabotage your shit, your mother sabotage your shit. Either way, your overall message, your 13th card is the 10 of Cups. Spirit attached. So I'm getting, you're going to get married to this man. Whether your ugly foot sisters like it or not. Hidden prisons. And one more. Virgo. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time. Bye.